Welcome to Drawliper channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable developer mode in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to about phone. Now from here scroll down again, then go to software information. Now from here you can see build number option. Now to enable developer mode, first you have to tap build number on 7 times. Now just do it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then draw your current pin or pattern and it's enable. Now if you go back and here at the bottom you can see developer mode has been enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable developer options, go to your settings app and then scroll down again, then go to developer options. Now just tap here to disable developer options and then go back and you can see it's disabled. And that is how you can enable or disable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.